Hey there everyone, Mr. Spockton here and welcome back into another video of Survival Craft. Now today, this video will either be boring or interesting for some of y'all, but you never know because today we're gonna be making a greenhouse. We did the house before and it looks fantastic, but now we need to actually keep up with our food supply. So this is exactly what we're gonna be doing today. These holes that I made on the ground is actually going to be the water sources, which is gonna take me quite a while to actually fill up. But basically, I'm just gonna be planting around the circles or around the water so that it does actually grow. And I think it should be large enough. I don't want to make it any bigger because I don't have any space. So yes, I don't want to do any more space management. For now, it will work, hopefully. Alright, so it's been approximately 20 minutes and I'm finally done with actually filling up the water. It took me a lot of time because I only have one bucket and I should have probably made some more, but you know, I'm kind of lazy. Yeah, it took me a lot of time, but hey, it's actually done, so it's cool. But now I think it's getting kind of dark, so let's go home for now and we'll continue tomorrow on. In the game, that is. Whoa, now that's a lot of wolves. Okay, these guys have been real busy recently, I guess. Damn, that's actually a lot. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I was just coming to check on the farm, but okay, I think they're getting attacked by sharks again, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take the plants from here and actually plant them in my greenhouse. So let's go do that. Alright guys, it's time to bet. Who's going to win? A shark or like 10 or 7 wolves? And oh, I think the sharks are not the shark, but I think the wolves are gonna win that. Yeah, I think the wolves are actually gonna win. Come on, and I'm not sure what's happening. The shark is not really doing much. Has the shark retreated or has it died? I'm not sure. I think it died. Yeah, I think the wolves have won. So yeah, I guess we'll wait. No, wait, it's still alive. What? I think it kind of retreated and came back. Yeah, I don't know who's gonna win that. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, and there we go. The wolves have won. Yeah, I was right. I mean, it was outnumbered, so I cannot blame it. Hey there everyone, Editing Spockton here. Well anyway, while I'm actually speedrunning in the background, let me just tell you guys the process of actually building this. Well, first of all, I actually went ahead to try and use birch wood. And so I got myself quite a lot of stacks of it. So yeah, basically it's going to be made out of birch wood. But you guys might be wondering now, why birch wood? I could have used spruce wood. It is true. But then again, spruce wood is a hell of a chore to actually find and get. And also, yeah, it's not going to contrast well with my house. While I was doing all this, I was also getting attacked by bears. So yeah, it was not really the best thing. But after killing it, I was actually able to continue stealing the soil. Now, again, the soil itself was pretty difficult to do because a hoe takes, I think, 5 blocks. It only tills 5 blocks. So you guys can probably imagine the pain I had to go through to just mine a single one of these squares. And yeah, it was not fun, but at the end of the day, I was able to actually plant the seeds. And it is the next day. Alright, so basically I'm going to be harvesting the pumpkins. Now as you can see, some of them have actually stopped growing. You can actually notice this if you actually look at the leaf on the plant. Now if there's no bush around the pumpkin while it's still green, that means that it's fucked. It's not going to continue growing, and just get rid of it because I don't think you can do anything about it. So yeah, just remove it, replant it, and just hope that it doesn't happen again, because without salt it's just gonna be, yeah, it's just gonna be kind of luck based. So yeah, good luck on that, but I'm just gonna have to throw these because I can't even eat them. So into the sea they go. Oh, the wheat have started growing as well, and the pumpkins are doing fine. Alright, it's going pretty well so far, and this one's still growing. This one is not growing, so we're gonna have to get rid of it. Oh, wait, so you can actually fall in the water while you're crouching. Well, the more you know. I didn't know that. Well, anyway, we're actually gonna be replanting the wheat as well because, yeah, I think wheat is more difficult to get than pumpkins because they don't give as much as you could have got. Like, this is 4, I got 6. Actually no, I got 7. Generally you get more God damn, I just wasted one. Now I have 6. Well, fuck. You know what? I'm just not gonna deal with this. Let's go see how the cotton is doing. And, oh, the cotton is actually doing pretty fine. I think there's only 1, no, actually 2 haven't grown yet. Huh. Alright, let's start picking them up. I have to regrow everything. I mean, plant everything, that is. Man, I should probably hire some monkeys to actually do that. I mean, we're in the forest. There probably should be some monkeys, so they can help me in the plowing cotton, I guess. I don't know if they're actually gonna want to work, but you know, I don't mind. I mean, I'm just gonna have to force them. I'm not giving them right either way. But anyway, for now, we're just gonna have to regrow everything by hand and by myself. Unfortunately. But hopefully I get a lot of cotton, and I'm probably gonna try to make some clothes, to be honest. So yeah, hopefully they grow well. Hey, everything growing pretty well. Alright, so I think I should probably start on building the walls, or should I wait? Now let's actually finish doing the walls, because while I'm building it, they're gonna be growing. So yeah, it's more efficient. So let's start right now. Hey everyone, Editing Sparkton here again. Alright, so basically, I just realized something is that when you're actually crouching, you won't actually destroy your tile or actually mess things up. So yeah, just crouch while you're actually trying to harvest your crops and you should be fine. And yeah, also I've been trying to actually find a pretty good design for the greenhouse, but I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to recopy, or is that a word, recopy? I'm not sure. I'm just going to copy paste the almost the exact same design as I did for my Minecraft world. So basically I'm just gonna put birch, and I'm not gonna put glass though, so that's a change. But when it comes to the design for the birch wood, it's going to be pretty much the same, but I'm gonna see if I can actually make it pretty unique, if you know what I mean, by actually putting some stone fences. Now these are not exactly stone, those are basalt, and those are pretty difficult to get. I mean, yeah, they're pretty easy to find because you just have to go at a certain layer underground, but they're pretty difficult to actually break because they're pretty tough. And yeah, it took me a while to actually even get some of them, so getting the rest is not gonna be fun, I'll be honest. But so far I've kinda liked the design. I mean, it does look like a prison cell, but hey, it does look unique, doesn't it? Oh, what is that? I think sulfur? No, it's germanium. Germany? Huh? Okay, I guess I'll take it. So yeah, I was basically just mining for some basalt and I got some germanium. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but I guess I'll take it? I don't know, man. We're gonna check this out later. For now, I'm just gonna keep on digging for some more basalt. And yeah, I'm using a copper pickaxe because yeah, a stone axe just takes too long. I'm gonna be honest, it just takes way too long. So yeah, while I was digging, I actually found sulfur. So yeah, I did actually get sulfur, but I don't know what to do with it. So we're just gonna leave it there and let's head back home. I'm gonna try cooking the germanium and see what I can actually get. Alright, let's see what this is. Okay, this does not help. Germanium crystal, the fuck do I do with this? God damn, you know what? I'm just gonna keep it there and I'm gonna continue on the greenhouse because yeah, I have no clue what to do with that. So if any of you guys know what to do, just comment it down. I'll read it and then I'll probably know. Yo, I'm back, Editing Sparkton again, and I'm back with the basalt. Now this time we're just gonna be filling up all the empty spaces that hasn't been filled up with the fences yet. And I think so far, it's looking pretty good. But I'm thinking a bit in advance, and that is to actually start putting some stairs on the edges just like I did for my house, because yeah, I do like builds that have those edges of stairs because they just look pretty nice. And I'm thinking of not putting stone though, because obviously it would be the same color as my house and we don't want that. So maybe something like wood? I'm not sure, but it just have to be a different color, not gray or dark. But yeah, I'm just gonna have to see for now. And maybe I'll add some vines to the build just to add some taste. Alright, so you guys might be wondering, why am I actually breaking limestone for now? Well, basically, I'm gonna be using this to actually make the stairs on the edges. But yes, I did actually use them for my stairs in my house in the previous video, but I was like, huh, you know what, it would actually contrast pretty well with the house due to it being kind of gray, and yeah, it's not really colorful, so I'm just gonna put this just to lighten up a bit the colors. So yeah, hopefully it works pretty well. I'm not really sure so far, but hey, if it doesn't work, we can change it later on. Again, there are plenty of wolves here. I mean, yeah, there's even hyenas with them. Okay, you know what? I'm just not gonna do that. Let's just move on for now. I don't want to deal with any of this so far. I'm probably gonna take the fences later on from my previous attempt at farming, but yeah, we're gonna see later on. Alright, so let's start placing it. For now, we're just gonna see if it actually looks pretty good. And oh my god, I'm already fucked up already. Yeah, it's not a very good stop so far, but hey, if it does look good, I'll keep it and we don't have to remove it. And I think so far it does actually look pretty good, so yeah, you never know, maybe it will actually look pretty good, maybe not. You never know with these kind of builds, and yeah, it's just trial and error. And yeah, when you get it though, it's such a satisfaction, so yeah, I think it's worth the trial and errors, so yeah. Hard work should do it, and yeah, it does actually look pretty cool. It does go well with the birch, so yeah, I was right on that. So let's continue building. Nah, actually that looks worse. Alright guys, now you might be thinking, hey, why do I have a diamond shovel in my hand? Well, I kinda need some sand to actually make some gloss. So let's actually check how fast the shovel can actually dig. So, oh, it's like, oh, so 1 second. 1 second is 1 block. Let's see the durability. And yeah, it's not going down so far. I mean, yeah, when I was using the stone axes, it would be done by now. Like, it'll be halfway done. So yeah, so far, it's really good. And it was to be expected from a diamond shovel. But at the same time, I think it's a bit overpowered. I'm not gonna lie. But hey, then again, diamond is very difficult to get in this game. I think even more difficult than Minecraft. Because you don't have any coordinates and you don't have a it's kind of guide for that. I mean, I did kind of search of a few guides, but they were just about just digging again and again, and if you have some chances you might find it in caves. But yeah, I'm not gonna waste all my time doing that because I already have one. So yeah, efficiency. Alright, let's get back to actually finishing the stairs, just this floor, and we should start placing the glass. And yeah, this is editing Sparkton, by the way, and yeah, it's going pretty fine so far. And while I'm actually editing this right now, I actually have another plan in mind. Yeah, I have another plan already in process right now, and I don't think how well it will actually go, but if you guys show a bit more support, actually you guys are already showing a bunch of support from these videos, I'm not gonna lie. But hey, if you guys want to see more, of course leave a like and subscribe if you're new, because yeah, if you like this kind of content, you might want to see more. But anyway, let's continue building for now, and I think next up I still need to make even more glass, but maybe I'll try to get some vines? You know what, nah, let's get the glass first. And there we go, we are done with making glass. It is time to head back onto the roof and actually finish the rest of it, and yeah, I think that should be enough. Hopefully, I mean, okay, that's not gonna be enough. So yeah, I'm gonna have to come back again, and I think I still need to actually plant the wheat under here. So oh my god, this was the last one as well. I mean, yeah, I still don't think it's gonna be enough, but yeah, it's totally not gonna be enough. I'm gonna have to go back again, but there's some burning or cooking, so we should be fine for now. And hey, it's me editing Mr. Sparkton here for the last time, because yeah, after this I'm just gonna be speaking normally. But yeah, so far yeah, it's going pretty well, and I think I might try to actually put some more stuff onto it later on. I don't know if I recorded about me putting vines. I'm not entirely sure about that, but I think it should look pretty good by the time that this video comes out. So yeah, I just wish it becomes pretty good. And so far, the build is actually looking very fine. Oh my god, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna go up the stairs from my house and see how that looks. Now, I don't know if by stepping on the pumpkins, it actually destroys the tilted soil, but I will have to check out or experiment with it later on. But for now, it's pretty cool. It looks really good. And yeah, I'm gonna be honest, this one took me less than the house to build, but at the same time I'm quite satisfied with it. Maybe I will improve it later on. And by the way, I'm removing all this glass because it was annoying me. I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of a perfectionist when it comes to actually building. I don't know why, it's just like this. But now, as you can see, it looks way better. Nothing is bothering me. So let's have an upper look from the house, and it should look pretty good. So let's see. And yeah, amazing. Looks like greenhouses or barracks. Both are pretty good. Okay, this bit is actually out of context, but yeah, the piranhas actually attack. Where did that one come from? God damn! This one just jumped for it. Oh my god. But yeah, they're basically hyenas fighting piranha. Oh my god, there's another one. Damn. We're just falling from the skies, to be honest. And I think the piranhas are gonna win, and I'm actually gonna be killing the hyenas just to actually get XP, because yeah, I kind of died recently due to starvation, so might as well try to get as much XP as I can. And oh my god, this dude is getting fucked. I think he's dead. Yeah, there you go, I killed it. Yo, hello piranhas. Yeah, that's why I don't go in the water. That's why I'm kind of scared of water in this game, because first of all, water makes you bare slow, and second of all, aquatic life in this game is fucking dangerous and scary. So yeah, I'm not going in the water or the sea for a while. So yeah, a few minutes later guys, I actually put some vines and it looks pretty good. I can't even lie. The pumpkins are growing very well, and yeah, as you can see, some has rotten, but that is actually the ones that haven't actually grown fully. So yeah, just throw it away because we're gonna be replanting all of them. And yeah, so far it looks really amazing. It's gonna be helping me out quite a lot when it comes to food, mostly the wheat. Oh my god, let me just get back up real quick. Yeah, as I was saying, the wheat part is actually gonna be helping me quite a lot. Now I was thinking of actually doing a second floor, but again, how is it gonna get sunlight? One of my friends actually did mention that. I was like, he's not wrong. How is my plant gonna get sunlight if there's another floor on top of them? So I decided to just go with the glass, and it looks pretty good, so I cannot complain. But yeah, I'm gonna have to end it here for today, and it looks pretty good so far, but maybe I'll take some more time for the next video, mostly because I'm thinking of a pretty huge project, even more huge than the house. So yeah, but you guys will stay tuned for that, and hopefully you guys will be here to cheer me on or just be here to support me. So yeah, for now, I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.